Hello everyone, it's been a while on the channel and welcome back. And so today we are here to talk about daylight saving time and then how it affects your PC's date and time. So as we can see here right now, it shows 10:34 p.m. on my taskbar, but as you can check right now, it's 8:34 p.m. in Ghana. And so what causes the change in time? Because I've tried many times changing the time to the right time, but it never works. And this is because of daylight saving time, also known as DST. It's a type of time format that has been used by some countries at some periods of the year. And what happens is that during daylight saving time, those countries gain or lose about an hour or two. Some even lose or gain about 30 to 45 minutes depending on what's happening. And then later on they go back to the normal standard time that's being used by every other person. So it happens in countries that are further away from the equator of the earth, and so it doesn't happen in African countries and also in Asian countries. Well, this can be an advantage or disadvantage to you depending on where you are located at the moment. So we'll be finding out how to change the time back to the standard and also how to prevent it from changing if your country is not being affected by daylight saving time, as this can be a problem. It can be an issue whereby the person changes the time, you need to realize that he has changed back without he or she knowing, and so his or her schedules can be destroyed because of the change in time or the difference in time zones. So we need to go to control panel, then click on clock and region, then date and time. You can see under a date and time section, we are given the opportunity to change the date and time. Then the next section we have our time zone, and so to make sure you don't get affected whenever there is daylight saving time, go to time, change time zone. Then you can see here automatically adjust clock for daylight saving time. That's what makes the PC to keep on changing your time whenever there is daylight saving or not. And so you need to disable this so that you don't get affected whenever it happens. Once you are done here and you are sure this is your right time zone, we'll click on OK. And just for you to know, I chose UTC+1 time zone to be able to show you what's going on. So once we have disabled this, we can click on OK, and then we can now go to change our time zone to what's actually right. So it's 9:14 at the moment, and then we'll click on OK. And so the time will no longer change whenever there is daylight saving time happening. You can also decide to disable this once it's no longer needed. Then we apply, then click on OK. So hope this video was helpful and you gained something educative from it. Make sure you click the like button so it gets recommended to others. Make sure you also click the subscribe button if you haven't, so that you get updated when there are new videos, and make sure you share as well. See you in the next video, and bye bye.